Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset and factory reset your T9 Smart Box. Let's begin here. Immediately go to the settings, and here at the settings we have storage and reset, where we can find the first option to reset our smart box. Factory reset again, and erase everything. It will begin to erase all the data that you have in your smart box, and also it will power it on itself. This is the easiest way and quickest way to erase all the data. The second method is here at the settings. Let's go down to the system. We have reset option. Here we can back up all of our data if we need to, or we can reset with Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Also reset app preference, and the third is erase all data, factory reset. This is the second method, erase everything, and as you can see it starts to erase all the data. It will begin erasing now. You can see it right here. It starts the box again, and after erasing all the data, this will be done. The box should be like brand new, and most of the problem, if you have any of them, should be gone by now, which is a very good thing to know and to have in this part. You can see the box is starting. We have the loading screen. Let's wait and see what happens. And you can see the box is started. We have all the default settings, default apps that are installed from factory. Now let's see how we can do the hard reset. You can have to take a toothpick. You can see we have the AV right here. It's you hear one click at the bottom. There is one small button, and you have to hold it with your toothpick while you are plugging in. This is the HDMI, and you have to press that button there and power it on while you are holding. You should hold the button after you plug in for around 10 to 15 seconds probably. And you can see right here, now it's plugged in. Let's hold still, and after that you will see the screen: reboot system, reboot to bootloader, wipe data or wipe cache. You can do just a wipe cache. We will do wipe data, factory reset. This is the hard way, and this is the best way for myself. It fixes all the problem that you have, but you have to remind that this will wipe all your data and will delete all the things that you had. So if you don't want to delete the things or the data that you had, you have to recover them. So you can see now we have the box itself starting, and this is it, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart box.